All right, I tested out this Starlink Mini Charger on my Starlink Mini setup and it worked exactly the way I expected. I plugged it into my solar battery system, so the whole thing was running off of free energy from the sun, and the charger powered the Starlink Mini up right away. It honestly just feels like using the original charger. Now, I was sent this Starlink Mini Charger 60-watt AC adapter by DAIERTEK, and it is built specifically for the Starlink Mini, so the fit and performance are spot on. It delivers a stable 30-volt 2 amp output with up to 60 watts of power, so the dish boots up quickly and stays powered without any dips or issues. It is basically plug and play. The charger is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around, which is great if you travel with your Starlink Mini and want a backup for emergency situations as well. It also has built-in protections like short circuit, overload, overheating safeguards, so you can use it with confidence indoors or outdoors. I ran a full speed test while using the charger and everything worked perfectly. So if you want a reliable replacement or spare power adapter for your Starlink Mini that performs just like the original, this is the right one for you.